Hey gang, as you can see, when I sat down to film this, I was not exactly sure on what colour I was going to use. I know it was going to be purples and turquoise and bluey, greeny, but I wasn't sure. I don't know what that was for either. And this is zip tidied, yay! So I'm starting with Wild Violet, I picked in the end, and then I'm just putting a bit more on the join area so that I can blend it in with this one, which is mint tea. Is that what I went for in the end? Yeah, I think so. I'm just giving them a rough ombre. You're not going to see it. It's just a sort of base for the glitter we're going to put on, so that will have a cure. Excuse my voice, I have horrendous hay fever today. This is Parma Violets because it's amazing, and Sea Blue Iridescent Multi-Mix. And I'm now going to start with the blue one. Oh, there's some faffing. Oh no, I'm not. I'm going to... I'm not quite with it, I'm afraid. I'm a bit... I'm out of it. I'm completely out of it. Did some base coat there and I haven't cured it. I'm going to apply the blue here at the bottom and then fade it up. Oh, why do I never turn my phone on mute before I do this? Mute. And then I will use Parma Violets from the top. So I still won't cure. I'll then put Parma Violets from the top and work that, fade it down over to where we faded the blue glitter up, both from Diamond Glitters. Yeah, sorry, my hay fever is horrendous today. My eyes are swollen and itchy. My bones are itchy. I want to like rub up against a tree like Baloo and just get in there and give my bones a good itch. And makes me wheezy, makes me cough, which is a great look right now. And my nose won't stop running, but it's blocked at the same time. I don't know how its contents are being produced so quickly. I blow my nose and no longer than 10 seconds and it's just full again. It's streaming all over the place, so my eyes are swollen. I'm just a fucking state today. So I put those on. I haven't cured yet and I'm just patting down, for some reason spending ages doing that. Whoa, nose run. Patted it down so it was as flat as possible. Because we're doing gel polish, we're not encapsulating with builder gel or acrylic, so I wanted to be as flat as possible. That was cured and dusted off, and now I am top coating, and then I may die. Screw corona, this is what's going to kill me. I'm going to die of fucking hay fever. That's having a top coat and it is going in the lamp, and then I'm going to give it a buff so it's nice and smooth. Oh, there was almost no video today because I just feel so rough. That and one of my friends has this is iridescent striping tape from Diamond Glitters. Oh, and that's the moment where I realised that even though I'm left-handed, I cut with my right hand. Which I must have been doing for the last 30 odd years of my life, but well, not that many. I only really acknowledged it today. So I'm popping a couple of strips of those on, just trimming at the top so I can seal it in. Oh. You may not see me tomorrow. I may have died in the night. So I buffed before putting those on so that it was smooth and there weren't ripples in the tape. And now I'm top coating and that's it. We'll give that a cure. This is going to be part of a mermaid themed set that I was doing. I'm showing this now on like 10 different backgrounds because it wasn't showing on camera and it still isn't the colours that it looks in real life. So my many very professional backgrounds are lint wipe and my hand and my TV remote. But I promise it does look a really purple to blue. I'm just going to stop talking. I hope you're all doing better than I am today. See you in the next one. Bye.